Demo 4.3. Review Purchasing Info Record and Conditions. In this demo, we will review the purchasing info record for Olympic Protective Gear and SHRT 1000. To access the purchasing info record data, either 1. Use the SAP Easy Access menu to navigate to the transaction to display a purchasing info record, or 2. Enter the transaction code ME13 in the command field to directly access the transaction. In our demo, we will use the SAP Easy Access menu. First, expand the Logistics menu. In the Logistics menu, expand Materials Management menu. In the Materials Management menu, expand the Purchasing menu. In the Purchasing menu, expand the Master Data menu. In the Master Data menu, expand the Info Record menu. Finally, select the ME13 Display transaction. The system displays the Display Info Record initial screen, which is used to find the desired purchasing info record. If you know the info record number, then type it into the info record box. If not, then provide criteria such as the vendor number, material number, purchasing organization, and plant for the system to find available info records. First, search for the vendor number for Olympic Protective Gear. To do this, click on the search icon next to the vendor field. In the search form, specify the desired search criteria and click Enter. In our demo, we will not include any specific search criteria. This will result in the system displaying all vendors, subject to the limit of 500 specified in the maximum number of hits field. The system displays a list of vendors. From this list, double-click the desired vendor number to select it. In our demo, we will select Olympic Protective Gear. The system copies the selected vendor number into the vendor field in the initial screen. Next, we need to provide a material number. To search for a specific material, click on the search button next to the material field. In our demo, we will search for material numbers with the letters SHRT in them. Specifically, we will enter SHRT in the material field. The system displays all materials whose material number includes the letters SHRT. Double-click on the desired material number to select it. In our demo, we will select SHRT 1000. The system copies the selected material number into the material field in the initial screen. Next, specify a purchasing organization. To display a list of purchasing organizations, click on the search icon next to the Purchasing Org field. The system displays a list of available purchasing organizations. Double-click on the desired purchasing organization to select it. In our demo, we will select US 00. The system copies the selected purchasing organization code, the Purchasing Org field in the initial screen. Finally, select a plant. To display a list of plants, click on the search icon next to the plant field. In our demo, we will search for a plant. The system displays a list of plants. Double-click on the desired plant to select it. In our demo, we will select the Miami plant, MI00. The system copies the selected plant code into the plant field in the initial screen. The data needed in the initial screen are now complete. Click Enter to continue. The system displays the purchasing info record that matched the specific search criteria. The initial screen displayed is General Data Screen. In our demo, data for purchasing info record number 530000060 are displayed. Most of the data on this screen are not relevant to the processes configured at GBI and are therefore not defined. Next, click on the Purchase Org Data 1 button to review data relevant to the previously selected purchasing organization US00. The system displays the Purchasing Organization Data 1 screen, which includes data relevant to the US00 purchasing organization. The screen identifies the responsible purchasing group as N00. In addition, it indicates that when GBI orders SHRT 1000 from Olympic Protective Gear, the standard order quantity, standard QTY, is 100. Demo 4.3. Review Purchasing Info Record and Conditions.